All right, so now this video is going to go through a grams to moles problem. So it tells us that our manufacturing of nitric acid is going to be through the oxidation of ammonia. So this is our reaction up here, so we need to balance it. So we would just put the coefficients. So we have 4, 5, 4, 6 as the coefficients. So in this problem, it tells us that we have 824 grams of NH3. So our given is 824 grams of ammonia. And it's asking how many moles of NO, or nitrogen monoxide, are formed. So our unknown is going to be moles of nitrogen monoxide. So if we are putting in 824 grams of ammonia, how much nitrogen monoxide are we going to make? So again, you want to look at what we're doing. So in this problem, we're starting with NH3 and we're trying to compare that in the relationship of NH3 to NO. So we want to figure out, well, what's the relationship in their recipe or their reaction? So we're going to go up here. All right, I have NH3 and I have NO. So I'm going to compare these two substances. So if we look, the coefficient for every 4 ammonia, we would get 4 nitrogen monoxide. So the mole to mole ratio is 4 moles of NH3 for every 4 moles of NO. Which, if we look, they're both 4 and 4, so we can erase those and we can change those to 1 to 1. Since they're both 4s, we can simplify it. You do not have to, it just makes calculating it easier. So now we're going to start with our dimensional analysis. And we always start with our given, so 824 grams of NH3. Put that over 1. All right, so we want to use this mole to mole ratio because we're trying to compare two different substances, ammonia to NO. But if we look at our unit that we have right now, because our main goal is to get this mole to mole ratio plugged in. Right now, our given is in grams, so moles and grams are not going to cancel out. So we need to get our grams of NH3 into our moles so that we are in the comparing unit. So we need to find the molar mass of NH3 so that we can figure out how many moles of NH3 we have. So we're going to go to the periodic table and you find N is 14.01 and you find H is 1.01, times that by 3 because there's 3 of them. So we know our molar mass of this is 17.04 grams in every 1 mole of NH3. So we look at what we have and what we're trying to cancel out. So I'm trying to cancel out grams of NH3, which means down here we have to have grams of NH3. So we look and I said, okay, there are 17.04 grams of NH3 for every 1 mole of NH3. So now, unit-wise, we calculate this. So we're in grams. Those are gone. We're left with moles of NH3, which is good. We want moles, but we don't have the right substance. We're in NH3. The problem is asking us to go to NO. But now we're in our comparing unit. We're in our moles. That's our goal. We always want to get to mole island. And now we can plug in our mole to mole ratio. So if we look at here's our mole to mole ratio right here. Well, we're trying to cancel out moles of NH3. So we want to put the 1 mole of NH3. So that part is going to go there, which means that the other portion goes on the top. So that means that the 1 mole of NO goes on top. So now looking at all of our units and what cancels out, moles of NH3 are gone, grams of NH3 are gone. So we're finished and we just go through and we calculate it out. And our answer needs to have 3 sig figs since our given does, which would be 48.4 moles of NO. So we're going to go through these next 2 problems in class tomorrow. So I'm going to have you guys just watch this part and then work on day 4.